Hello, today we will guide you through how to link your bank account to Whop. To get started, open your Whop dashboard in your browser. This is the main area where you manage your account and business settings, so it's the right place to begin when you want to update payment information. Once the dashboard is loaded, take a quick look over the left side of the screen. From there, move to the bottom left corner and click on Settings. This section contains the account level options for your workspace, including billing, payment, and payout related tools. If you don't see it right away, just scroll or look carefully toward the lower part of the sidebar. After opening Settings, click on Payments. This will take you to the area where Whop manages payment methods and related setup options. You may see different sections here depending on your account type or what payment methods are already connected. Next, click on Additional Payment Methods. This is where you can add or manage extra payment options connected to your account. If you're linking a bank-related payment method, this section is typically where Whop will guide you to continue setup. At this point, select the setup option shown for the available payment method on your screen. In some cases, you may see an option for a credit card. In other cases, you might only see PayPal or another available method, depending on your account and region. The important thing here is to click the Setup button for the option that appears for you. Once you've done that, continue by following the on-screen procedure. Whop will usually walk you through the remaining steps directly inside the platform. This may include entering your payment details, confirming account information, or authorizing the connection through a secure prompt. Be sure to read each screen carefully so you understand what information is being requested and what permissions are being granted. As you complete the process, double-check the details you entered before submitting anything. That can help avoid setup errors and make sure your payment method is linked correctly the first time. If Whop asks for verification, simply follow the prompts until the process is complete. And that's it. Once the on-screen setup is finished, your payment method should be connected and ready to use in Whop. If something looks different on your screen, that's usually normal, since account options can vary slightly. Just continue with the matching setup option that Whop provides.